Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will start our first lecture of Python programming. So I am opening my Visual Studio. Actually I had opened earlier, and this is Visual Studio. We select Python application from project templates. You can select from there. Select from this the Python one, Python, Windows and desktop. Python application. Next. And I will decide its name, practice Python. Sorry if spelling of practice is wrong, because I am really wrong in spellings, weak in spellings. Okay, create. Our first lecture is going on the print statement, because the print statement is important, and you know, in programming we usually starts from the hello world program, and we will write our first statement of print hello world, and this is this. Okay, and we will try to run this program. Hello world. And our console print the message hello world. I'm making sure that hello world is zoom enough that you people can watch it easily. So this is the way how we print the statements in the Python. Print my car. Okay. This is same. Print my car is print my car. Okay, but what about if we want to print our variable name? So I will comment there, print a variable, and I will try to. Okay, there is a new thing, how to declare a variable in a Python. This is name equal to SeekersforSeekers. There is no semicolon, so try to not put the semicolon in code, and print statement, print name and name. I will okay, comment earlier statements, because these are I think I have to zoom this. Okay, I am commenting these out, so you people just note how to comment the Python code, how to print a simple variable, simple statement, and how to print a variable name. Okay, start the program, and it surely will print SeekersforSeekers. This is SeekersforSeekers. It prints. Okay. But what if you want to print? I'm in dark room. There is no light in the room. Okay, first I had to turn light on of this room. Okay. Okay, now start. Print multiple variables. Okay, how to print multiple variables? Name. I had put name already. This is channel equal to programming, and here's equal to active. So I will print this into code like print, first of all, name, concatenate. The plus sign is concatenation. SeekersforSeekers has channel of channel, and it has viewers. What is the status of viewers? Active. Okay, there are spelling mistake, so I will copy this there. Okay, paste, and I will run it. SeekersforSeekers has channel of programming and it has viewers active. Actually, I don't know how to zoom it. Okay, I think I have to modify the statement so that it looks beautiful. So SeekersforSeekers has, there should be space, off space, channel space, and it has viewers, VIE. Okay, next spelling off. Okay, viewers, I think now it should look better. Actually, this is what I want to do. SeekersforSeekers has channel of programming and it has viewers active. There are some statements which I wrote in the print function, and there are some variables like channel, viewers, and the name. I use the earlier variable in this print statement. So there is a no scope problem in this Python program for the print statements. Okay, and now let's zoom out. Let's go to minus. Now, how to print numbers and students together. Okay, there is age variable is 21 years age, and who is 21 years age. Okay, let's decide in the print function the age of Dave is age. Let's start this. The age of Dave is 21.